So hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a private Windows server in AWS and perform a remote connection. So for that first we need to open AWS account and sign in. And in that, as you can see, we are currently in the AWS dashboard. In that we need to search for VPC. In VPC you can see your VPC. Okay, in that you need to create your own VPC, as I have already created my own VPC for the Windows server. I'll just quickly show what to type and what not to type. Just select VPC and more, name of your project, and other details are as default. So I've already created my VPC. So next we move to, okay, so when you create your VPC, it will automatically create four route tables. Two of them will be private and two of them will be public, and four subnets. Uh, Four of the subnets which will be named under two of them will be public, public 2 and public 1, and two of them will be private 2 and private 1. Okay, as you can see, the settings for that, you need to note down the subnet ID, and also in the public versions you need to auto assign, you need to enable the auto assign IPv4 address, so that will be used later on. Okay. As you can see, we have created four subnets and also enabled auto assign. um, Next we move to internet gateways. In internet gateways, as you can see, this is also automatically created, so you just need to verify the state of that. It should be attached to your VPC. As you can see, my VPC name is also here. Next we move to NAT gateways. In NAT gateways, you need to create your own NAT gateway. Just name your NAT gateway, select zonal, choose your subnet. It should be public, any of the public versions. Assign the elastic IP allocation ID and create your NAT gateway. Okay, it might take some time to be available, so wait for it. And in case if your NAT gateway, just you need to verify another thing. You need to note down the allocation ID. If you haven't note down the elastic IPv4 allocation ID information, you can just go to elastic IP. There your elastic IP information will be there. You just need to note down the allocation ID and allocated IPv4 address. Okay, so next we move to route tables. Here also you can see these three tables. These are what automatically which they are created. So first we'll move to private tables. Here you need to go to routes, edit routes, and add role. In that you need to add this destination. Target is NAT gateway. Select your NAT gateway and simply press save changes, and do the same for another private 2 version. And next, when it comes to public RTA, just click route and you can see two of the destinations with the targets will be automatically created. And you can verify in the subnet association tab. In that you can see to which subnets they are connected. Okay, verify for the private as well. See here you can see it's connected to private one, and this should be connected to private 2. Yes. After you verify your route tables, you move to security groups. In that you need to create 2 security groups, one under the name of Bastion 5G, okay, which will allow your RDP to access your IP address from the EC2 instance, okay, and another one is private Windows 5 SG, okay. I'll just quickly show you how to create your own security groups. You just click on create security group, enter the security name, select your VPC version, add inbound roles like RDP for remote desktop connection, keep IPv4. It will automatically assign the targets. Description is optional, and you need to create another RDP, not RDP. Okay, so you need to go to outbound rules and leave it as it is. Just create the group. Remember, name this Bastion SG or something. It's up to you. Okay, the second group is for private Windows SG. In that, you need to keep the type as RDP, version IPv4. Source should be open, and move to outbound rules. That you can leave as default. That will be same under create security groups. In this security groups, you need to create total of 2: Bastion SG and private Windows SG. Next, you need to go to EC2. Go to EC2, create on instances. I have already created my Windows EC2 Windows Server instance. So I'll just quickly show what to select. Click on launch instance. Type the name. Here in the OS images, select in Windows. And Windows Server version, you can choose anything, but I will be choosing 2022 base version. Wait for it. You copy the AMI ID as it will be useful later on. Keep the username as well. As we move down, you can select instance type, but as this is a free eligibility, so I'll just keep t2.micro version. And next, you need to create a key pair system. Type a key pair name, download it. Next, as I've already downloaded it, I'll be just selecting the key pair. Next, you move to network settings. This is important. You click on the edit button, you select the VPC version. In that, it will automatically select the subnet as well, but remember, it should be a public subnet, not private. In auto assign, it should be enabled. As we move down to firewall, there will be 2 options: create security group, select existing security group, click on existing security group, click here, choose the security group as Bastion 5G. Okay. Now once you click on Bastion 5G, you can ignore advanced network configuration, and here you can increase the volume, like you can use GP3 instead of GP2. You can leave it as GP2 as well. Just click on launch instance. As I've already created that instance, I'll just quickly show what to do. Next, select the instance, click on connect, move to RDP client. Here you can see your username and get password. Just click on get password. Upload your private key .pem file. It will generate some random content. Click on decrypt. It will give you a password. Just copy it and save it somewhere else. Okay, next. Okay, so next, you need to open your menu. Type for remote desktop connection. Okay. In the place of computer, you enter the IPv4 address and click on show more details. Here you enter administrator and you can ask it to save the credentials. I've already did that. After that, you can just click on connect. As I've already saved my credential, it will automatically log in into the remote desktop connection. But for you guys, it might ask for a password, so just enter your password and it will automatically be connected to the remote desktop. This is how we create a Windows server in AWS and perform a remote connection from your local system. Thank you.